Hi there, today we're at Stafford, Texas, in the heart of Stafford off of Murphy Road at Cooking with a Twist, Houston. Tonight is our group on pasta making class, and we're going to make homemade pasta along with homemade Alfredo sauce and a little chicken on the side. We love the Stafford community and we support it as much as we possibly can, whether it be through gift certificates or doing classes for CPS or children's advocacy in the community. During times of flood and Harvey and all of the natural disasters that seem to plague Houston, we've opened up our kitchen and provided and cooked for the community, and it's one of the things that we truly love about our family here. So the owner here of Cooking with a Twist is Dee Dee Coleman. She's not with us today because she had made other plans for the evening already. But just so you know, Dee Dee's been here. She's a lifelong person. She moved here from Alabama and started this business. And when she started it with the help of her mother and her family, her husband, her son, and her daughter. Her daughter is currently a Houston Fire Department firefighter and paramedic. We're very proud of her. Her husband is the leader of the music ministry at their church, and their son helps here every chance that we need him. It really is a family dining experience, although we really do invite and welcome other people to join us. We celebrated our 9th year, like I said, and one of the other things that we're very proud about is we were just voted Houston's Black Book Experience of the Year. We were also a finalist in the Black Chamber of Commerce Pinnacle competition last year as well. We've received numerous accolades. Dee Dee's hard work and giving heart really shined through during Harvey when we just opened our doors and cooked everything that we had to feed anyone from the community that was hungry. Same thing when COVID hit. She's always been willing to open the doors and take care of her fellow man. But there's a lot of things that we offer. She's been involved in the community as long as I've known her and been really a stable figure in the community. She's always willing to help out her fellow man. It's one of the reasons why I love working here and why I love being around here. I have met some of the most amazing people while I've spent my time here at Cooking with a Twist. And it really is amazing to see how much she loves and supports the community.